Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix action not available in Roblox. So if you're facing this type of issue in your Roblox account, then here's how to do it. So first you have to simply click on your profile icon here, or simply click on this more button here, simply and go to the settings, and make sure that you simply click on account info and make sure that your account is verified. So if your account isn't verified, then you have to add an email. So simply click on add email, where you have to add an email. So I'm going to add my email here. Just like this, and like yes, box, click on this box to sign up with using this email here. So you can add that email and it will ask for the verification. So an email has been sent for verification, so you have to check your email for that verification code. So I'm going to check it right now. Here you can see it has just sent me the verification email. So you have to simply click on verify email here, and it will actually verify your email. And let's see, okay, and if you have to just restart your Roblox account to get verified. So you can simply click on verify here. So it has already verified, the email is already verified. You can see it is already verified, but it's not showing here. But if you go again in account info, then you can find the account is not verified. So you must need this verified tag, and now you should do is you can simply click on the task, right click on the taskbar here, then click on task manager, where you have to find, simply let me show you where you have to find the Roblox. Here it is. Let me show you in the memory and the processes. You have to go to the processes, and here is the Roblox. You have to right click on Roblox. Here it is. Now click on end task button here, so it will end the task for the Roblox. So from here again you have to simply click on this window button and simply search for Roblox, and you can find Roblox application. Right click on it and simply, not like this, you have to simply search for Roblox here, right click on it, and you can find the app settings here, where you can find something like microphone turn on, and here you can find, not here, so you can simply click on repair. So it can repair some issues if it's have with the additional file. Otherwise you can run it as administrators. For that you have to go to your home and search for the Roblox. Where is you can find, I can find actually the Roblox here. So here is the Roblox. So I'm going to add the app on my home here, just like this. So it's not adding here, so there's might be some issue here. So that's not a problem. So you can simply click on open button here. So you can open it as administrator. You can find the add an administrator by simply right click on it, and you can open the Roblox application as an administrator. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.